Hi friends, this is Barbara and we are back for another meal. First off, what we need to do, what we're making is Philly steak hash browns. Spray your pots, a little bit of oil, and then I'm starting off here with 1 red onion. You could use yellow if you want, and a half of a orange and half of yellow, equaling 1 whole pepper. Okay, we're going to dump those right in. You want to stir that around a bit, break up those onions, get the oil on all of that. Oh, turn your stove on. Turn your stove on, friends. Don't be like me and keep your stove off. I tell you, I have my moments in the kitchen. Crazy story. One time I was cooking in the crock pot. 2 hours later, I come back. I didn't even have the crock pot on. And I got crazier stories too. Like one time I was cooking hamburger helper and I forgot to put the hamburger in the... Yeah, forgot the hamburger. Family didn't even know it. They didn't even know it. I was the one who realized it. Yeah. Share your crazy times in the kitchen down below. Please. I really want to hear them. Okay, and then my friends, what we're going to do is we're going to take Philly steak. Here, I'm just going to show this to you. I got this from Walmart. It does not cost that much, so this is kind of an affordable meal, and it's pretty quick to make. So you want to take that steak and just dump it right on in. And, of course, chop that up. Okay, so I didn't have a frying pan that was big enough to hold all of this, so I had to throw it in a pot. So I am going to put it on my wish list that I need a big frying pan. Okay, friends, so after putting in after frying up your Philly sirloin steak and your peppers, then I want you to pour them on a half a bag of shredded potatoes. This is a pound, okay? So when you spread that meat and peppers out on those tater tots, then you're going to come in and sprinkle that cheese over the meat and taters, okay? I'm going to use sharp cheddar, but you use whatever you like, because we all have our preference. Okay, I think I'm just going to use it all. Spread it out really good. Okay, friends, let's pop this in the oven for 20 minutes. Okay, friends, and we are done. So I am just going to take a corner out. That does not look too bad. I gotta turn. There we go. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to give it a taste. Okay, I want some of that meat and that potato. Some onion. All right. This is really good. You're going to like this one. Okay, friends, if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos, please subscribe. Keep cooking. Love you all.